Hi everyone, my name is Mary Kostandy, and today we're going to be talking about the Ricoh Theta S Camera. An important thing to mention if you're using a Ricoh Theta camera is that if you want your images and videos to turn out nicer, you probably wouldn't want to be holding the camera because your hand will take part of the image. And so it's best if you put it on a tripod and operate it remotely. And what that looks like is that if you click the Wi-Fi button, it creates a Wi-Fi network, and then you open your phone, you download the Ricoh Theta app, and then in your Wi-Fi settings, you click for this camera's Wi-Fi. So you'll find a number on the bottom, and that number is the name of the Wi-Fi network, and it's also the password. So if mine is XS and then a series of numbers, the series of numbers following XS is my password. So I search for this Wi-Fi network that's created, and then I open the Ricoh Theta app, and then now my camera is connected to my phone. And after I connect it, there are a couple of things that I could do. One of them is I could transfer images from my camera to the phone. And I can also see the view, which is quite important actually. Say you put the camera on the tripod, but if you're using a camera without the app, there's no way of knowing what view the camera is capturing. And perhaps you want to see how the view looks like. And so the app is quite useful because in camera mode, you can actually see the view, you can flip through the view, and you can check the perfect view that you want before you start shooting. And then after you find the view, you can start shooting from the app. But then the only downfall is while you're on video mode or you start the view no longer appears. Yeah, that's about it. It's as simple as that if you want to connect the camera to your phone or your tablet and operate it remotely, and it's highly recommended that you do that. Another option is if you put it on a tripod or on a table or on a stable surface, and then you can either operate it remotely, or you can come closer, start the camera, and then move away from the scene if you want. And then later on, you can probably edit this piece where you started and stop it. So I hope you found this video useful, and that you can start using the Ricoh Theta S to create 360 videos. And in a later video, we are going to be talking about how you could prepare those videos so you could edit them and later on publish them. Thank you for listening.